In the bustling streets of Cairo, young Ali eagerly awaited the arrival of Ramadan. This was his favorite time of year, filled with family gatherings, delicious meals at iftar, and the vibrant lights of the Fanuz lanterns hanging from homes. One evening, as Ramadan began, Hussein's father handed him a beautiful lantern, its colors dancing in the dim light. This lantern, his father explained, is not just for decoration. It's a symbol of hope and goodness. During Ramadan, it's our job to spread light to those around us. Inspired by his father's words, Hussein decided to take this message to heart. So, each evening, after breaking his fast, Ali would hang his lantern outside their house. The soft glow would illuminate the dark street, attracting neighbors and fellow villagers. The Fanuz became a beacon of gathering where stories were shared and laughter echoed. One particularly cool evening, Ali noticed an elderly woman, Mrs. Maha, living alone down the street. She was frail and often seemed lonely. Remembering his father's words about spreading light and goodness, Hussein decided to visit her. He carried his lantern with him, its light guiding his path. "Mrs. Maha," he greeted with a smile, "would you like to join us for iftar tonight?" Her face lit up with joy, and she gratefully accepted. That night, the table was full, not just of food, but of warmth, companionship, and laughter. Hussein realized that the true essence of his Fanuz was captured not just in its light, but in the light of kindness shared with others. As Ramadan continued, Hussein's act of kindness inspired others in the community. Every evening, families lit their lanterns and visited those in need, sharing meals and stories, turning the entire village into a weave of light and fellowship. Hussein learned that the Fanuz was more than a beautiful bulb. It was a reflection of the light within each believer and a call to illuminate the dark with good deeds and heartfelt connections. Ramadan, after all, was not just about fasting, but was a time to renew one's spirit with the light of compassion and generosity. Moral: true light comes from the acts of kindness and goodness we spread to those around us, especially during the holy month of Ramadan.